Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we will be reviewing how to change the batteries in your DMP-1183-135 wireless heat detector. Before changing the batteries in this device, please call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know, as this will cause a tamper alarm on your panel and send an alarm to the Amherst Alarm Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is the DMP-1183-135 heat detector. It takes one 3-volt CR123A lithium battery. To get started, you're going to want to slide the battery cover, as you can see from the little battery icon. And then you're going to gently pull the battery out. And then to replace it, you will go ahead and insert it back in. There are indicators on the detector to let you know which way the battery should face. You will also see a little red light appear when it starts receiving power. You could then put your cover back on and slide it into place. And that's it. Thank you for watching this Amherst Alarm tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.